Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Library. In today's video, we're tackling a common issue: Instagram camera effects and filters not working. Let's get your filters back on track with these quick fixes. First, check if your Instagram app is up to date. Open the App Store, search for ICE Instagram, and see if there's an update button. If so, tap it to ensure you have the latest version. If updating doesn't solve the problem, try offloading the app. Go to Settings General iPhone Storage, find Instagram, and select Offload App. This will clear the app's cache without deleting your data. Once offloaded, tap Reinstall App to get a fresh start. We hope these tips help you fix your Instagram filters. If they did, please give us thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.